What's up, it's Tara LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do a really quick updated length check. I did one about 2 months ago and I'm about to put my hair in a protective style this weekend. I have not had a protective style in a whole year, but I need it. But I feel like my hair is growing a little bit, so I just wanted to measure it out on camera for you guys. Also just to give me a note to see where I'm at right before my protective style, to see how much the style helps with me retaining length. But bueno, let's not ramble. Just get right into the video. I'm gonna look at the video that I uploaded just to try to get a reference to where exactly on my head I was measuring, so my results are a little bit more accurate. Back looks like I kind of have it a little bit at this point. My hair completely frizzed today, so I'm just like, I can no longer do this summer with my hair like this. I was gonna do a keratin treatment, but I think it'll just be easier on me to get a sew-in. You feel it in the back. This is the stopping point, it feels like. Okay, the back did grow a ½ inch. We're at 14.5, which is pretty normal for 2 months of hair growth. Let's see this side, maybe about here. Here. Okay, so we're at 15 inches here. So I think this side was initially 14.5. We got a ½ inch growth, which I am content with. It's better that my hair is retaining length and not breaking off. I put the flat iron to my head a little bit more than I would have wanted to. I'm going to be heavily on the juicing this next month, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated with my next length check and just kind of what I'm doing to help with growing out my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and until the next one.